Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we had completed question number 7 of exercise number 10.5. Today we will see the question number 8. If the question number 8 is like, if the non-parallel sides of the trapezium are equal, prove that it is a cyclic. The non-parallel sides are equal, which is given. Non-parallel sides are equal, which is given. AB and CD is the two parallel sides of the trapezium. It means AB is equal to parallel to MN, or you can write is parallel to CD. These two sides are parallel, these two sides are non-parallel. We have to prove that this is a cyclic. Cyclic, it means the opposite angles of these two triangles, so of this quadrilateral should equal to 180 degree. It means sum of BAD and BCD should be 180 degree. For this, first of all, you have to draw a line AM perpendicular to CD and same BN perpendicular to CD. It means this becomes 90 degree. This becomes 90 degree. This is given to you, and another what is given to you? The AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. This is given to us. Now, in this triangle, after drawing this perpendicular, in the given triangle, the triangle AMD and triangle B and C. In this triangle, it is given that angle AMD is equal to angle B and C, which is 90 degree or perpendicular, which is 90 degree or perpendicular. It is AD is equal to BC is given hypo. This is hypotenuse, and AM is equal to BN. AM is equal to BN because the distance between two parallel lines are always equal, hence AN is equal to BN. So by RHS, triangle A and D is equal to, is congruent to triangle B and C, is equal to triangle B and C. First of all, in this two given triangle, in which this angle M or angle N is equal to each other because of 90 degree perpendicular. AD is equal to BC, non-parallel sides are given that it is equal, and AM and BN, which we had drawn, construct, that is the distance between two parallel lines are always equal, hence these two are equal. So by RHS, these two triangles are congruent to each other, hence the remaining parts. Hence by CPCT, this angle is congruent to this angle. It means ADM. It means ADM. Angle ADM is equal to angle BCN. That is angle ADM. So this on the same line, so this ABC is equal to angle BCD. This is by CPCD. This is by CPCD. Now see this, AD is a transversal. AD is a transversal to these two parallel lines. Hence, we know that the sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. We know that sum of integer angle is equal to 180 degree. Hence we can write that angle BAD, angle BAD plus angle ADC plus angle ADC, which is equal to 180 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Now ACD, EDC is equal to BCD. ADC is equal to BCD by reciprocity. Hence angle BAD is equal to, instead of this I am writing ADC is equal to BCD. ADC is equal to BCD, which is equal to 180 degree. Hence now we can say that this angle A means BAD, and angle this, which is BCD, the sum of these two is 180 degree. Hence it is a cyclic. Quadrilateral. Now moving on, next question.